Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello family and friends from all around the world, the United States, Canada, and also Europe and everywhere else on my fam jams and my jammin' people that have been watching my channel and supporting me on my YouTube journey. I truly appreciate it. Kisses and hugs from Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you guys haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you guys leave comments in the comment section if this video has helped you out as well. So also make sure that you hit the bell for future notifications when I upload new content. And as you guys have seen, I upload new content on a daily basis, and sometimes, depending on my mood, I upload 2 to 3 videos a day just to keep you guys entertained and keep you entertained through this lovely self-isolation that we're going on. Self-isolating. Yes, it's truly boring. I understand. So I totally understand where everyone's coming from. So exciting news from Kenzie Craig Michaels. I just reached a couple of days ago, and I didn't share this breaking news with you guys because I thought I would share it here on this channel episode, is that I reached 7,000 views. That's right, 7,000 views in less than 8 weeks of being on YouTube. That's correct, 7,000 views, and we're almost at 8,000 views. I'm almost at 8,000 views. And when I say I'm referring to myself, but I'm also referring to you guys, all you beautiful men, women, and gorgeous people out there. Thank you so much for this continued support. I truly appreciate everything that you guys have done. That being said, I'm going to talk to you today. I've reached over 250 subscribers in the last week or two, and I just want to give back to all the small YouTubers out there how I achieved that, and also basically 5 mistakes that I made when I started my YouTube channel. So we're going to begin. So number 1 mistake is to do your research. Research. And if you haven't started a YouTube channel, just go ahead, guys, and start it. You need to start from scratch. You need to start learning the basics. You need to go on to YouTube. You need to go on to Creator Studios. You need to go on to the YouTube Studio site. You need to watch the videos on how to create an amazing video content so that people are going to be watching your content and keeping that watch time up and getting more subscribers. So research is number 1. And make sure, if you're a new YouTuber out there, strive to set smart, realistic goals. So if you guys want to have, 50 subscribers in 5 days, how are you guys going to do that? You need to set smart, realistic goals. And when I'm referring to smart, realistic goals, I'm referring to smart, realistic, meaning that they're actually realistic goals and they're not over inflated. Attainable, they have to be attainable, so they have to be achievable. They also have to be realistic, so they have to be realistic in the fact that you can actually achieve these goals in the set amount of time that you actually have actually done for yourself. And number 5 is actually, on the smart, realistic goals, is time sensitive. So you know what? I actually watched a YouTuber, and what she did was create a vision board. And what she did was she set all of her goals in place for each specific month, and how many subscribers she wanted per week, how many watch views she wanted per week as well. And you know what? I think that is a fantastic idea for small YouTubers. That is one mistake that I made. So not doing a vision board and actually not doing my research on YouTube prior to launching my channel. But that being said, need to launch your channel as soon as possible, because YouTube requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is a huge amount of watch hours, and it takes a very long time to achieve the subscriber count. I'm very fortunate that I'm a quarter of the way there with over 250 subscribers. So thank you, all you viewers. Going into the second mistake that I actually made was not listening to other YouTubers. So I have a friend and they live in another province and I call him Mr. B. So Mr. B, if you're watching, I appreciate all your tips and your tricks on how to basically create content, how to create viewer engagement, how to, edit. And that is my second point as well. So, watch YouTubers go onto their channels, watch how they're editing their channels, watch how their intros are, watch how their channel art looks, and basically watch them and see exactly what they're doing and basically copy and emulate them. And listen to YouTubers that do actually have, thousands and thousands of subscribers. That is the mistake that I made as well. So that's number 2 mistake. Number 3 mistake, I had no idea what I was doing when I first started my channel. I had no idea about editing. I knew nothing about iMovie. I'm still recording on my iPhone and I'm not purchasing a DX7 camera to, have all the gear until my channel's monetized. So, that being said, it's important to have the right gear in regards to having a ring light and having some box lighting as well to basically highlight your face and to make sure that you're actually getting the right amount of light on your face and that people can actually see you and it's not too dark. So the first mistake I made was the third mistake that I actually made was not getting the proper equipment when I first started. So that's the third mistake. The fourth mistake that I actually made was not knowing exactly what I was doing. And when I say not knowing exactly what I was doing, I'm referring to editing, I'm referring to using iMovie, I'm referring to using software, I'm referring to using specific apps that actually help you create thumbnails, and I'm referring to also in the YouTube studio how to basically tag your videos. There are certain programs out there like keywords that you can actually download for free, and it does actually help you create the top keywords that need to be actually added to your tags when you're actually tagging your videos. I did not know that until recently, and my sub count and my watch time has gone up based on having those keywords. So when people type into Google, or I'm actually referring to YouTube, they type in words that, are going to be basically words and phrases that they want to actually find on YouTube. So for example, how to do cooking, how to do a recipe on baking muffins, how to do a recipe on eating healthy. So using keywords like how to, secrets of, 5 top things, etc., makes a huge difference in the YouTube world, especially with the YouTube algorithm. So basically, one of your first things that you need to do, and the first mistake that I made, was when I was doing my tags, I wasn't actually using the first tag that was in my title or my description, and I wasn't actually using that properly. That being said, in regards to my fourth mistake too, I didn't actually go on to YouTube Buddy in the very beginning. So YouTube Buddy is a free service and it's absolutely amazing. It actually gives you suggested tags for your content based on what your title is. You can actually see all your milestones. That's how I see all my views. I can actually see how my video performance is doing. And if you haven't checked out YouTube Buddy, that is the perfect thing that you need to complement your YouTube journey. The fifth mistake, and this is a huge mistake that I didn't even know how to do, because you know what, I'm all self-taught, and this fifth mistake is a deal breaker. So what you need to do in creating content and creating more viewership is to create series playlists. And how do you create series playlists? You group them actually together so that when people are watching your channel, they actually have the opportunity to actually click on the playlist and be able to watch more of your videos. I personally did not know how to do that. Also, in regards to playlists, I did not know how to do end screens. I did not know how to do editing. I did not know how to add end screens to my videos. I did not know how to do intros to my videos. And I did not even know how to put a subscribe button at the end of my video. So when you guys go onto YouTube and it says on the right-hand side, end screens, use your end screens. That is super, super important. Also, another mistake that I made was I didn't know how to use cards. So cards are the little titles that appear up and above, suggesting video content, or if you're referring people to look at a specific video that you had just previously done. So I just previously did a video on mascara warfare. So I would put that up for you guys to see that would be my next video for you guys to watch. And basically you want to create videos that actually group themselves together so that if you're watching, you understand that the next card that's coming up is going to basically relate to the current video that you have. So if I'm doing 5 mistakes that I made on YouTube, I might say, you know what, please watch my last video on mascara warfare in the cards. And you know what, you have up to 5 cards and you can create your own videos. You can actually create playlists with it as well. And that's the 5 mistakes that I actually made in YouTube land. Also, in regards to the 5 mistakes, it's super, super important, guys, that with the YouTube algorithm, I said before I don't like long videos because of viewer retention, and that is so true. I do not like long videos. So in regards to the 5 mistakes that I made, I actually made a 6th mistake. So the 6th mistake that I made is that YouTube likes long videos. It actually helps increase the algorithm. So if you have viewers watching, say for example, you have 30 viewers and 5 viewers watch your video all the way to the end, which may be 12 or 15 minutes long. That is fantastic. You may have some viewers that watch your videos for maybe 3 or 4 minutes. It all contributes to watch time. So make longer videos. Like I said before, I don't like longer videos just because of viewer retention. However, my videos now will be anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes long to help me with that algorithm on YouTube. So those are the 6 mistakes that I actually made when starting my YouTube channel. There is a ton more mistakes that I made, but I do listen to my Mr. B, who is actually in another province. Another mistake that you actually have to realize too is your music volume. My music volume has actually been too high sometimes, and you're not actually able to hear what I'm actually saying and the importance of my message. So it's very important to make sure you control your music, or just not have music in your videos as well. So, I'm struggling right now with editing. I'm also struggling right now with creating thumbnails, and that's another important point. Mistake number 7, I'm getting up past 5 mistakes, but creating effective thumbnails so people will actually click on your thumbnail. So if it's not interesting and it doesn't grab your attention, nobody will actually click on your thumbnail. So especially that is another important point. So 7 mistakes that I made. I could probably go further, but I'm not going any further than that today. I will do another review of all the other mistakes that I made on another channel episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these tips on how to grow your small YouTube channel will help you. And I have a goal of hitting 300 subscribers and increasing my watch time by the end of this month, and increasing, and I'm going to be using the vision board as well. So if you guys haven't done that, if you haven't done what I was speaking about and the mistakes that I made, don't make the same mistakes. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels. Cheers everyone, have a fabulous Saturday, and I will be talking to you very soon with my series Mascara on Warfare. Series part 2 will be coming out very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and cheers.